The Igbe's Royal Cabinet led by the Okanga musical troupe performing the royal dance. Today, Saturday, the 5th of September 2020, at the Iwaji ceremony of Igbo Kebo II of Umweri, Sir Ben Emeka JP.
Thank you. On the Royal Cabinet of Umweri, what can I do? Killing. Come every day for the name. You can even here. I'm going to forget to chico, a royal member. Yes, sir. And you and I will know. Let's put the background. My lawyers, my doctoralists, my professors, Mano Kaleba, Mecca. Who put your dividend book in the so like cabinet room way. Come with such a personality Don't imagine. And there is one other thing you know to deliver. Umweri ni nebeleba abepe homage. Group ni nobo na beleba wana agima na group. No chukwu melodi igwe. Obo mmadụ na yolo ga ayo. Igwe yolo ayo to obo. And that goes to show.